Bill of material is one of the very common data objects used in PLM and manufacturing process. BOM typically contains many assemblies, sub-assemblies, and components underneath it. In a complex BOM structure, it is often a requirement to protect component information. In this use case, let's see how ITAR components that are part of a BOM cannot be accessed by non-US citizens. To demonstrate this, we have two demo users, demo user 01, who is a US citizen and can view all the components in a BOM. Demo user 02, who is not a US citizen, can only view non-ITAR components. Let's switch to SAP system to demonstrate this. There are different ways within SAP system to maintain materials or components as ITAR. In this use case, ITAR components are maintained in the NextLabs security transaction. Components like ST21, RM128 are part of a BOM, which are identified as sensitive and tagged as ITAR in this NextLabs security classification transaction. When demo user 01, who is an authorized user, in this use case US citizen, tries to access BOM FC126, user is able to read all the components within a given BOM. When demo user 02, who is a non-US citizen, tries to access the same BOM, user is not able to view the sensitive components. NextLabs solutions are driven by policies defined in the NextLabs Control Center. Zero code is involved in the implementation of the NextLabs solution. Let's look into a policy that is defined for this use case. In this policy definition, there are three important components. Subject component, where we can specify a group of users for whom policy needs to be applied. Resource component. In resource component, system information is provided, which tells in which environment the policies needs to be in effect. As NextLabs policies are based on table and fields, tables information are provided in the resource component. The third important component is obligation, which tells what sort of restrictions can be achieved. For example, masking a field or filtering a row or a record. Here, as we are filtering the row, we choose predicate condition. Predicate condition consists of SQL statements that define the conditions which restrict the data.